Hey guys, so we're going for a walk by the beach and I just wanted to show you my outfit and I might do a little bit of vlogging. So my outfit consists of these hair blockers from Shaunz Boutique. I love them so much. They go with everything. And then I have a tank top on, just a simple tank top. And I have my Puma tights on, my Puma gym tights on, and my Adidas white trainers. I've got my jacket right here because it might get a little bit chilly and I want to throw something over my shoulder, so this is my jacket. And then I've got my bum bag, which I got from Amazon right here. I've got all my bits and pieces in that, and basically your girl is ready for a walk. This is like an exercise walk, and oh, my skin is glowing because I put some Palmer's lotion, sunscreen lotion on. You have to remember to put your sunscreen on, and I'm ready to go. So outfit of the day, simple, boom, sports looks, boom. So yes, peace out. Hey guys, it's your girl Shaunz. How are you guys doing? I hope you're all well. It's a lovely day in the UK. It's been super hot. Like we've had like a week of really hot weather, and so today it's changed a bit. It's still a bit sunny, but it's not as hot as it was. So we're just gonna go for a walk by the beach and just, you know, enjoy the last days of the summer basically, because I think summer is just about finished. So yeah, we're just going to walk by the beach and maybe pick up some lunch and just enjoy the day. So yeah, hope you guys are all well and keeping safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Looks fairly calm, and we're about to walk the path, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful and calm it is. Such a lovely day. Very quiet. I'm surprised it's not more busy. Busier. Alright, so let's go on this walk, shall we? I will be sad when the summer is over because it's such a lovely time to just have, you know, picnics on the beach, hang out and do all those lovely stuff. But when it gets cold, you're not really allowed, well, not, you don't really want to do those things anymore. So when the weather is like this, it's not hot and it's just the right temperature in summer, I find it really perfect. So I'm really going to miss that aspect of summer, but you know, life goes on, and I hope that things will get better as time progresses as well. But basically, you know, I'm trying to enjoy as much of the summer as I can, because it's a few weeks before it's all gone. And yeah, so we just have to make the best of the situation, and we have to make the best of everything, because we can't change anything basically. So we just have to enjoy what we have and try to be safe and keep as safe as possible and enjoy while we can, really. Yeah, beautiful. So guys, I heard that these little beach huts go for a lot of money, and it's strange because they're so tiny, not enough room to swing a cat. They are so tiny, but they're quite expensive, I heard. They're cute though, and I guess you can come on very hot days in the summer and hang out, but you can't really stay in them the winter time. So a lot of people come in the summer and just hang out, make their teas, have their drinks, whatever. But they're pretty cute. Expensive, I've heard. All different colors. That's the beauty about them. They're all different colors. Super cute. But they're not really private because people walk past them all the time. I guess people don't really care, really. They just want to come and hang out. They're really cute, aren't they? Very pretty. They go all the almost forgot to show you guys my lunch. So we're having a cheeky lunch. I'm having a small fish and chips. It's not the best presentation because, you know, they're serving you in boxes and all that, and a very small salad and some sparkling water. It's not very neat. Sorry, I started eating way before I remembered to show you guys. So yeah, I'm having fish and chips. I'm gonna walk this off in a minute. Yeah, so that's lunch. Guys, we stopped off and I had a fish and chips. It was very nice. It's just that the presentation was not the best because they're serving in boxes at the moment and everything is disposable, so it wasn't the best. I showed you the fish and chips I had. It was really nice and everything was fresh, but it's just that the presentation wasn't great. But you know the situation right now, people are trying to keep everything sanitized and, you know, safe for everyone. So that's the situation. Now I'm gonna be walking off this fish and chips because anything I eat seems to go in my tummy. So I'm just gonna have a little walk and see if I can get rid of that fish and chips. But yeah, it's still a beautiful day out. So guys, we're getting closer to the end of the walk. If you look straight up there, you'll see some bushes on the right with the house. That's exactly where we're going to turn around and walk back. It's a very pleasant walk, especially when you've eaten too much and you just want to stretch your legs. Perfect. So where that house is on the right, that white house, we stop somewhere there. Guys, you see those bushes in the out there? You know these? They're called sea kale. Did you know that? They're not edible, by the way, but they're called sea kale because I guess they have that texture and that look of kale. Yeah, so they're called sea kale, and the beach is filled with them. As you can see along there, lots of sea kale. So guys, the walk is complete, and we're gonna have a cheeky little stop at Asda. We're gonna have a cheeky little stop at Asda. I love Asda. They've got so many amazing stuff for like very tiny prices, so I'm really excited to stop at Asda. But yeah, the walk is complete. It was a beautiful day. We walked for about 2.5 miles thereabouts. Very nice, very beautiful day, and it was lovely. The lunch wasn't up to scratch. It was nice, but it was just not like, you know, something to write to mom about. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm trying to find the light, darling. The light, darling. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace. This is dinner for tonight. Some camembert and toasted bread and some red wine. Very simple.